What's good, y'all? So the key to blending is to think of the composition and then play on that. So let me show you again. So I'm gonna pick this image of this nun surrounded by a group of people, and then we're going to blend her with this image right here. And the reason why I chose these two images that are about to load is because, boom, they got the same type of outfit on, totally different pictures. So, and they're both in the center, and we're gonna see the results when it comes back. This is another example of a blend that I did. Boom and boom, and it gave these type of results. So we're gonna be right back once I load. Loading. And this is the results it gave. Magnificence. Let's upscale. Wow.